my mini braids.
Okay, come here.
Hey y'all, welcome back. It's K Michelle. And as you can see, today my hair is stretched, and that's because we're going to be doing mini braids. They're not going to be like super small because those take too long, and I feel like this is already going to be a long hairstyle. They're going to be like, I don't know, definitely smaller than if you were to do a braid out, but definitely bigger than if you were to do mini twist. So I stretched my hair out just so that I can get some more length off them. I'm kind of going for like a 90s short box braid like type of vibe. So we're gonna see if that's what we can get. And we're just, it's my first time doing these, so we're just gonna get into it. All right, y'all, so this one's definitely a little small. This is definitely not the size I'm going for. I'm going for more like a 90s box bob thing. So yeah, this is a little small. It's gonna get bigger. It's gonna get bigger. So this one's just gonna be like a little rat tail thing, you know. But these gonna be cute. They're gonna be cute. Okay. So this row is small, so I'm probably gonna get bigger as I go. So right now I have 4 back here. I kind of want like 30 in the back. That might be even too many. Maybe like 20, 25. I'll let you know the final count at the end for sure. And then in the front, probably like 16, 20. So total, it's gonna be somewhere around 50, if that, 40 to 50. So I don't know what y'all think. So I ended up making the braids bigger. They look like I did some box braids or some knotless braids. Something. Oh no. But that's what they look like in the back right now. I'm gonna do the front. I hope I did enough, but like I feel like if I went any smaller, they'd be like too small. So maybe it's my hair, maybe it's Kanekalon, maybe it's Maybelline. I don't know. But I'm about to do the front. This is obviously the most important part. Your edges, honey, your edges. But now that I'm out of the back, I can show you guys what my parts are looking like and stuff like that. Because the back is just difficult. So I want the middle part. Okay. I find it easier if I work in half sections on my head. And I probably want like, I think I want to try to get at least like 9 That's a reach. 7 braids out of this. Because I don't want my front like not looking full. So I might be able to get 7 out of it and still get like the look that I want. This one down here has to be pretty thick. I don't know about y'all, but this section right here of my hair, this section of my hair is like my lightest texture, if that makes sense, in the thinnest area of my hair. So usually my parts have to be bigger if I want to get like the same size as up here. Okay, so I'm adding a non-water based butter for moisture. That's not going to revert my hair, but you know, keep it nice and soft and not dry and breaking off. And as you guys know, this is my favorite one, Main Choice. You should be able to find this at your beauty supply store. I found out because I had to get some more, and they had it at my local beauty supply store. So yeah, I'm just putting some of this in my hair just to keep it moisturized. And then I just brush it through. And I think it's okay to use a little Eco Styler and gel on your roots. It's not gonna revert it back. So I lose a little Eco Styler just to keep my roots nice and crisp and clean. Since we're at the front, I'm adding a little edge control so that, you know, it looks all pretty. And I'm using 24-hour edge tamer. This is my edge control is expensive, y'all, okay? It ain't no joke. So I just be buying the little ones because I don't really use it. I don't really use it that much. So I just buying the little ones. Throw some of that on your edges, honey. And this obviously isn't going to stay in place permanently, but it just kind of keeps you from braiding up any hair that you want in your edges. Oh, I don't like that. There we go. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of a little bit of white. Okay. You're gonna want to braid it real tight, like doing a box braid. There we go. Keep a nice tight grip on it just to get it going. Then after you get it going, you're going to want to loosen up your braid so that way it's not too small. So now loosen your grip up. If one piece is a little bit thicker than the other, I just like borrow from the one next to it. You can't even tell. Nobody gonna notice. Nobody gonna notice. So I've just been braiding them to the end. I've been adding rubber bands because I'm gonna go back and put a buttercream on them, or like just wet them a little bit to make the ends curl up. So they're just like maintain my ends for now. Keep them from unraveling. Alright, so I'm gonna finish this up off camera. And I'm come back and show you guys what it's looking like. Okay, so finished the braids. This is what they're looking like. I feel like they're super neat and nice. And you can rock them just like this, I feel like. Oh, behind the ear. Definitely not just like this, though. That's not cute. But, like, you know, a little something. Half up. I don't know. I don't know if I like that. I don't know. I feel like there's different stuff, but that's what they look like. I didn't do a bunch, I feel like. So I'm gonna add some jewels and some beads and stuff, just like for just like a really cute look and to make them look more like box braids. So okay guys, so I just added some jewels and some beads and stuff just to make it a little bit more wearable, if that makes sense. Not really sure how I'm gonna style them yet. Like, there are lots of options and you can flip it and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Let me know if you guys do your own mini braids. I think I really like these, and the good thing about like these type of hairstyles is that like after you wear them out a bit, you can put in like faux locks or something, which is what I like to do. So I'd probably end up doing some soft locks after these. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. See you guys next time.